Today, we are going to look at the 12 Olympian gods, popularly known as the Olympian Pantheon. In ancient Greek religion and mythology, the 12 Olympians are the major deities of the Greek pantheon, commonly considered to be Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Demeter, Athena, Apollo, Artemis, Ares, Aphrodite, Hephaestus, Hermes, and either Hestia or Dionysus. They were called the Olympians because, according to tradition, they resided on Mount Olympus. Although Hades was a major ancient Greek god and was the brother of the first generation of Olympians, Zeus, Poseidon, Hera, Demeter, and Hestia, he resided in the underworld, far from Olympus, and thus was not usually considered to be one of the Olympians. Besides the 12 Olympians, there were many other cultic groupings of 12 gods. The Olympians were a race of deities primarily consisting of a third and fourth generation of immortal beings, worshipped as the principal gods of the Greek pantheon and so named because of their residency atop Mount Olympus. They gained their supremacy in a 10-year-long war of gods, in which Zeus led his siblings to victory over the previous generation of ruling gods, the Titans. They were a family of gods, the most important consisting of the first generation of Olympians, offsprings of the Titans, Cronus and Rhea, Zeus, Poseidon, Hera, Demeter, and Hestia, along with the principal offspring of Zeus, which include Athena, Apollo, Artemis, Ares, Aphrodite, Hephaestus, Hermes, and Dionysus. Although Hades was a major deity in the Greek pantheon and was the brother of Zeus and the other first generation of Olympians, his realm was far away from Olympus in the underworld, and thus he was not usually considered to be one of the Olympians. Olympic gods can be contrasted to Chthonic gods, including Hades, by mode of sacrifice, the latter receiving sacrifice in a buttress or megaron rather than an altar. The canonical number of Olympian gods was 12, but besides the 13 principal Olympians listed above, there were many other residents of Olympus who thus might be considered Olympians. Heracles became a resident of Olympus after his apotheosis and married another Olympian resident, Hebe. Some others who might be considered Olympians include the Muses, the Graces, Iris, Dione, Elatia, Hore, and Ganymede. Beside the 12 Olympians, there were many other various cultic groupings of 12 gods throughout ancient Greece. The earliest evidence of Greek religious practice involving 12 gods comes no earlier than the late 6th century BC. According to Thucydides, an altar of the 12 gods was established in the Agora of Athens by the Aegean Pisistratus, son of Hippias, and the grandson of the tyrant Pisistratus, in about 522 BC. The altar became the central point from which distances from Athens were measured and a place of supplication and refuge. Olympia apparently also had an early tradition of 12 gods. The Homeric hymn to Hermes about 500 BC has the god Hermes divide a sacrifice of 2 cows he had stolen from Apollo into 12 parts on the banks of the river Alpheus, presumably at Olympia. Next, glad-hearted Hermes dragged the rich meat he had prepared and put them on a smooth, flat stone and divided them into 12 portions distributed by lot, making each portion wholly honorable. Pindar in an ode written to be sung at Olympia about 480 BC has Heracles sacrificing alongside the Alpheus to the 12 ruling gods. Heracles enclosed the altis all around and marked it off in the open, and he made the encircling area a resting place for feasting, honoring the streams of the Alpheus along with the 12 ruling gods. Another of the Pindar's Olympian odes mentions 6 double altars. Herodotus of Heraclea, about 400 BC, also has Heracles founding a shrine at Olympia with 6 pairs of gods, each pair sharing a single altar. Many other places had cults of the 12 gods, including Delos, Chalcedon, Magnesia on the Meander, and Leontinoi in Sicily. As with the 12 Olympians, although the number of gods was fixed at 12, the membership varied. While the majority of the gods included as members of this other cult of 12 gods were Olympians, non-Olympians were also sometimes included. For example, Herodotus of Heraclea identified the 6 pairs of gods at Olympia as Zeus and Poseidon, Hera and Athena, Hermes and Apollo, the Graces and Dionysus, Artemis and Alpheus, and Kronos and Rhea. Thus, while this list includes the 8 Olympians, Zeus, Poseidon, Hera, Athena, Hermes, Apollo, Artemis, and Dionysus, it also contains 3 clear non-Olympians: the Titans, parents of the first generation of Olympians, Kronos and Rhea, and the river god Alpheus, with the status of the Graces here apparently being counted as one god, not clear. Plato connected 12 gods with the 12 moons and implies that he considered Pluto one of the 12 in proposing that the final moons be devoted to him and the spirits of the dead. The Roman poet Ennius gives the Roman equivalent, also known as the deconsenters, at 6 male-female complement, preserving the place of Vesta, Greek Hestia, who played a crucial role in Roman religion as a state goddess maintained by the Vestas. There is no single canonical list of the 12 Olympian gods. The 13 gods and goddesses most commonly considered to be one of the 12 Olympians are displayed in the charts. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe now for more videos on Greek, Roman, Norse, and other mythologies.
Let's go.